This is a video from eSkills Zone. For more videos, notes, and certificates, please visit www.eskillszone.com.
Hello and welcome. Hi viewers. Today in this video we will discuss module number 37 in Java programming language, and the name of the module is using jagged array in Java. So we will type its definition first. It is a multi-dimension array in which the columns can vary for each row. The rows are identified first, then the columns are identified for each row. This helps in allocation of memory as per requirement, which saves memory wastage. The syntax is teacher AR double column or brackets equal to new integer 2 AR subscript 0 equal to new integer 2 semicolon. The first row will have 2 columns. So here the value of row doesn't match with the value of column in jagged array, and in new integer 3. Second row will have 3 columns. So let's understand the concept of jagged array in Java. We will execute a program. In Eclipse IDE. So let's switch to the IDE viewers. So here we are, we'll click on the Java project and type the name as working with jagged arrays. Click on the next button, click on the finish button, and here type the name of the module as program, which we will later on delete. Here we are, we'll click on the right click on it, delete it. Right click on this src folder, go to the new option. From here we will click on the class, we'll type the name as program, click on public static void main, click double forward slash, type description as working with jagged arrays. Under the class program we will type static void jag, name of the method we're going to use in this program. And under the structure we will first declare integer AR double column bracket, new integer 3, and then a blank column bracket. At the location AR0 we will type new integer 1. Likewise we will copy 2 different, and then we will type at location 1 new integer 2, at location 2, at location 3 new integer 3. So it is always started with 1, so we have to be very careful while typing the values, since the very first value of the array is 0 by default in Java. For integer I equal to 0, I is less than AR dot length I plus plus, and then type for integer j equal to 0. J is less than AR subscript I dot length j plus plus, and this we will type AR subscript I subscript j, we will type I into j, and using a loop for integer I equal to 0. I is less than AR dot length I plus plus, for integer j equal to 0. J is less than AR subscript I dot length j plus plus, and display system dot out dot print ln the value allocation column AR will give the value plus I plus, and then plus symbol, double quotes close, plus j plus, plus symbol is column plus AR I into j. Now we will call this name of the jag OPS, since the name of the method is jag OPS, so we will call in the main method and we'll see the output by calling this method in the main method, going to the run button, run as, and then so you can see the output is AR 0001 1011202122 is 0, and then 0 and 1 and 0 and 2 and 4. Viewers, we have actually multiplied I into j and AR ij subscript array. So at the location 0, integer subscript past 1 value is, you can see the output 0 multiplied 0 is 1. The second value is 1 0, which is again 0. The second position is at the integer array subscript 1 is 1, so 1 multiplied by 1 is 1. So the second position to subscript 0 is 0, because I is multiplied with j. So here you can see the value of AR. Here it gives the value of getting value of rows, and this for loop is used to show get values of columns. So we have multiplied I into j, so every time you can see the first value is 0 and multiplied 0 is 0, and then the second value is 1, and 1 is multiplied 0 is 0. The second value of when the loop will be executed, value will become 1, so 1 multiplied by 1 is 1, and the second value is 2, so the 2 multiplied by 1 is again 1. and then in the end the last value is 2, so 2 is multiplied by 1 makes 2, and 2 multiplied by 2 will give the values 4. That's all, viewers. Thanks for watching. We have learned how to use jagged arrays in Java programming language.